Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get all comments on YouTube. We will use a tool called YouTube Comment Scraper from Apify. Check the link in the description to try YouTube Comment Scraper for free. This tool allows you to extract comments from any YouTube video, along with details like author names, timestamps, likes, and replies. You can also export the data in different formats, making it easy to analyze or use in other applications. To get started, click the link in the description. This will take you to the YouTube Comment Extractor page. Click the Try for Free button. You will be asked to create an Apify account. It is free and no credit card is required. Once you are logged in, you will see the input page for the YouTube Comment Scraper. There are two ways to configure the input, using the UI or JSON. In this tutorial, we will use the manual input method. First, copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to extract comments from. Paste it into the input field. You can add multiple video links by clicking the Add button. You can also upload a text file containing multiple URLs. Next, set the number of comments you want to extract. You can also choose to sort the comments by newest or top comments. Before running the scraper, it is a good idea to save your configuration as a task. This allows you to reuse the same settings in the future or schedule automatic scraping. Now, click the Start button to run the scraper. You can monitor the progress in the Overview tab. If you want more details about the process, switch to the Log tab. Once the scraper has finished running, you can export the data. Click the Export button and choose the format you need. You can include or exclude specific fields before downloading the dataset. If you want to automate the process, you can schedule the scraper to run at regular intervals. Click on Schedule, select your saved task, and set how often you want it to run. You can also integrate the scraper with cloud services like Google Drive or Zapier. If you prefer to run the scraper locally, you can use the API. The API options include Node.js, Python, and curl. You can find the necessary code snippets in the API drop-down menu. If you are interested in extracting other types of YouTube data, such as channel details or search results, check out the other YouTube scrapers available in the Apify store. You can find links to those tools in the description. That's it. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try YouTube Comment Scraper for free.